Into what bodies of water does a trunk stream and its tributaries drain surface water? A. Only other rivers. B. Only seas. C. Sea, lake or some other body of water. D. Only lakes. The correct answer is C. Sea, lake or some other body of water. What is called primary activities? A. Utilizing potential resources. B. Sustainable development. C. Collection of resources directly from nature. D. Renewing resources. The correct answer is C. Collection of resources directly from nature. Which type of surface can utilize the drip irrigation method? A. Uneven surfaces. B. Smooth, paved surfaces. C. Extremely steep slopes. D. Only flat surfaces. The correct answer is A. Uneven surfaces. What percentage of the world's population is projected to be urban by 2050? A. 81%. B. 68%. C. 74%. D. 55%. The correct answer is B. 68%. What is the primary food source for many warm-blooded sea animals in Antarctica? A. Seabirds. B. Jellyfish. C. Small red fish called krill. D. Large marine mammals. The correct answer is C. Small red fish called krill. Which project is located near Ottanchthram? A. Parambiculam project. B. Aliyar project. C. Parappalar project. D. Kanjamlai project. The correct answer is C. Parappalar project. Metric ton, Krakatoa in Indonesia is an example of which type of volcano? A. Dormant volcano. B. Extinct volcano. C. Shield volcano. D. Active volcano. The correct answer is A. Dormant volcano. Which feature is formed by the falling of river water over a vertical step in the river bed? A. Gorge-like valley. B. Waterfall. C. Plunge pool. D. V-shaped valley. The correct answer is B. Waterfall. Which of the following is not listed as one of the four major river basins where farming evolved? A. Nile. B. Amazon. C. Euphrates Tigris. D. Indus. The correct answer is B. Amazon. The lesson pathway states it deals with the classification of what? A. Continents. B. Climates. C. Ecosystems. D. Landforms. The correct answer is D. Landforms. New alluvium is a term related to which geographical feature? A. Mountains. B. Plateaus. C. Rivers. D. Deserts. The correct answer is C. Rivers. What is a benefit related to surveying mentioned in the text? A. It requires no specialized equipment. B. It cannot be planned. C. It is always free. D. It can be planned and executed. The correct answer is D. It can be planned and executed. What are quaternary economic activities associated with? A. Extraction of natural resources. B. Manufacturing of goods. C. Providing personal services. D. Creation and transfer of information. The correct answer is D. Creation and transfer of information. What atmospheric ski-air contains all clouds? A. Mesosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Stratosphere. D. Thermosphere. The correct answer is B. Troposphere. What type of forests are found in the dry parts of the Deccan Plateau? A. Tropical dry forests. B. Mountain forests. C. Tropical deciduous forests. D. Tropical evergreen forests. The correct answer is A. Tropical dry forests. What does the term satellite imagery refer to? A. Hand-drawn maps from satellite data. B. Digitally transmitted images from satellites. C. Blueprints of satellite systems. D. Physical models of satellites. The correct answer is B. Digitally transmitted images from satellites. How many major groups has an organization divided Indian soils into? A8, B6, C7, D5. The correct answer is A8. Which plain is described as one of the most important fertile plains of the state? A. Kaveri Plains. B. Palar Plains. C. Ponniyar Plains. D. Thamirabrani Plains. The correct answer is A. Kaveri Plains. What does the onset of the southwest monsoon bring down across India? A. Temperature. B. Wind speed. C. Humidity. D. Air pressure. The correct answer is A. Temperature. From where should instructions be listened to during a flood forecast? A. Newspapers only. B. Internet forums. C. Local radio TV. D. Neighboring states broadcasts. The correct answer is C. Local radio TV. What is the size of the Indian postal network in terms of post offices? A. 1 lakh. B. 1,55,000. C. 1,25,000. D. 1,75,000. The correct answer is B. 1,55,000. The study on human population is considered one of the most important aspects in the geography of which entity? A. Any region. B. A continent. C. The entire world. D. A single city. The correct answer is A. Any region. What causes human population to decrease? A. As technology advances. B. As food supply increases. C. As people die. D. As babies are born. The correct answer is C. As people die. What causes condensation and adiabatic cooling during cyclonic precipitation? A. Stable air conditions. B. Warm and cold air masses converging. C. Lack of water vapor. D. Divergence of air masses. The correct answer is B. Warm and cold air masses converging. Resources found in the international region can be utilized only after what? A. A community agreement. B. A national agreement. C. An international agreement. D. An individual agreement. The correct answer is C. An international agreement. What type of planet is Uranus classified as? A ice giant planet. B. A terrestrial planet. C. A gas giant planet. D. A dwarf planet. The correct answer is C. A gas giant planet. In what pattern are volcanoes distributed globally? A. Concentrated at the poles. B. Randomly scattered. C. Along intensely folded or faulted regions. D. Only in continental interiors. The correct answer is C. Along intensely folded or faulted regions. Where are some of the biggest copper mines in the world located? A. Venezuela. B. Colombia. C. Brazil. D. Peru. The correct answer is D. Peru. Which body of water is near the origin of the Indus River? A. Bay of Bengal. B. Mansarovar Lake. C. Arabian Sea. D. Indian Ocean. The correct answer is B. Mansarovar Lake. What country is English the native language of? A. Britain. B. Spain. C. Germany. D. France. The correct answer is A. Britain. How did you score?